Hi, my name is Gavin and I'm an expert here at Dyson. The question we're asking today is, can my Dyson pick up large particles, small particles and reduce allergens in the home? This is the Dyson V11. This has powerful suction and deep cleans to make sure it reaches the very bottom of the pile of carpet or cleans the tile and remove the allergens in the home with the HEPA grade filter. In front of me here I have a large pile of dust with some chocolate chip chunks, some cereal and rice. I have my machine on the eco mode, which gives me up to 60 minutes fade free suction, and I also have the soft roller brush head on as we're going to use it on tile. Let's see how this powers through the dirt. Very easy, I don't even have to say anything else. If you'd like to see any other demos or you have anything to ask an expert, please leave a comment below this video with Ask a Dyson Expert. For everything else, please visit dyson.ie.